Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to visit another place, and before that we saw these cute little keychains, and of course we had to buy some. So we bought one for myself and one for my bunu, and I'll show you. I bought pink and she bought the purple one. They're so cute. There were so many shops there also, that like there were some restaurants and also these toy shops and many like that deli shop and also like vegetable and food shop. But yeah, this is the gate and we're going to do the entry now. We don't have to take any tickets. It's like free.
नहीं साड़ी कहाँ बनना दुपट्टा है मेरी भी ऐसी बांग सी काट दे ऐसी लगेगी तू भी
You see, we came to visit the Lotus Temple, and there's quite a way to walk to reach there, and now we are on our way.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How would you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
There are also these orange trees, like mini oranges, all grown here. Like those trees perfectly shaped. They keep this place well shaped. Like they really work on it every day to keep it beautiful and clean.
मिल जाता है, फिर पढ़ना शुरू कर दो। आप लोग अपना जूता चप्पल उतारेंगे, पत्ता ले लेंगे।
Now you can see clearly the view from if I zoom it out, then the view is like this, and zooming in, the last view. So that's all for Lotus Temple. We didn't go inside it because we had to open our shoes, and we just really didn't wanted it to open our shoes and then go inside. It was okay. We just took some pictures and also this video from outside the temple. And also we were getting pretty hungry, especially Bunu. She was like starving because we forgot to take our lunch, so of course I was also starving. Now we'll be heading back.
Pero como naranja.
We came the whole way back, the whole road, and now this is the information center, but we already visited the place, so we don't need the information now. Oh, but this we do just show you all the rules: social distancing, wear a mask as the volunteers, avoid touching display, no photography, so we couldn't go inside. One more thing, there was no photography, that's why. Now that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama.